beautiful Cancer, let's see what's coming up your way for the month of August. This is your monthly reading for the month of August. This is for the sign of Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So let's see, Cancer, what's coming up your way. Please remember, this is general reading, so this may not resonate with all of you. Also, please do check your Sun sign, your Rising, your Venus, and your Moon sign. And let's get started on the reading. You got the core energy. The core energy here for you is the Four of Wands. This has to do with your sense of freedom. Crossed by Six of Swords, it is as if you need to detach from certain things, places, people, situation in order to finally attain your freedom and independence. In your conscience, goal is the Queen of Swords, and air sign Aquarius, Gemini, Libra could be influencing your life. Queen of Swords is someone who has gotten to see things clearly after such a long time, and I feel as if you are seeing that. And your foundation is the Temperance. This could be the hidden energy needing to convert one thing into another. In the past, you got Nine of Swords. There was insomnia, something that triggered you, something that hurt you, but it was not hurting you so much enough as to make you make some change. In the upcoming days, you got Three of Wands. In the view position, you have Queen of Wands, a fire sign like Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius could be influencing your life. In the area of closest relationships, you have the Page of Pentacles. In the hopes and fears, you have Two of Cups. This has to do with the soul connection, with the partnership, and the outcome for you is Four of Swords, resting, recharging, recovering yourself. Okay, let me see what is at the bottom of the deck. You got Two of Pentacles. You are busy during the month. You are juggling with managing so many stuff, but there is something very important that you know deep within that this thing is important, and you need to pay attention to that, because if you do not address that thing right at the moment, things are going to get heavier. If you could see, these waves are getting bigger and bigger, so you need to pay attention to what it is. And I feel as if that is a soulmate connection. This could be your partnership that you should be paying heed to, trying to reconnect, trying to strengthen the bond. This could be love relationship, this could be in business career, so take how it resonates. You are entering the month with the energy of Four of Wands. This is crossing a threshold, achieving something significant. It is as if a significant other person, could be your soulmate, friend, family, romantic interest, could be anyone who is helping you to reclaim your power, to set your boundaries, and to really enjoy the sense of happiness. Like, hey Cancer, you have gotten it all and you need to live your life on your own terms. Crossed by this is the Six of Swords. And as you try to reclaim your power and independence, freedom here, you'll have to make a decision in order to let go some things. This is moving on towards calmer shores and leaving the drama, the conflict behind. It is as if there is something that is within your family situation, in friends, even at work, that is not letting you to fully step into your power, then you should be the one who is detaching from that drama. In the past, you got the Nine of Swords. With the Nine of Swords, I feel as if you made the choice that I am no longer a victim, I need to be a survivor, and I am reclaiming my power, Cancer. You made a change, and that is why you are healing here with the Six of Swords. You are not only healing, but you are moving towards bigger, brighter, happier things. In your conscience, goal is Queen of Swords. You have gotten to see something clearly after such a long time with the Queen of Swords. This queen sits above the clouds, which means that she can read between the lines. No one can manipulate her. No one can bring up their lies and believe that the other person is fool. So you are in your position of power and strength, and you are cutting the crap out of your life. Like, once you gain clarity over something, you should not be sitting back. Instead, you should be actively cutting out whatsoever that does not deserve you. In the hidden energies of the foundation, you have the Temperance. A couple of things with this card. First of all, a Sagittarius could be influencing your life. Sagittarius energy is alchemist of the tarot. This person really knows how to turn one thing into another. But you are not grounded at this time. In order to manifest things, in order to make things work in your favor, you need to ground yourself. You need to open your third eye. Get back to your intuition. Pay heed to your intuitional nudges, and at this time, patience and moderation is needed. Patience is a skill that comes at such a huge cost, but it's worth it. In the upcoming days, you got Three of Wands. Three of Wands is your ship's finally arriving. You are going to see progress, growth, expansion, and you really can hone on to this energy that yes, the fruits of my labor are paying off. Whatsoever that I was doing, the change that I made, the independence that I claimed, the healing that I did was not all in vain. It is really going to pay you off. In the you position, you got Queen of Wands. You are charismatic at this time, bold, beautiful, assertive, go get it driven. You are going after the things that you love the most. You are spiritually protected at this time. And also this is great time for tapping into spirituality. This sunflower and this queen are facing the sun, their element. So you need to get in touch with your element Cancer, which is water. Nurture your emotions, nurture your feelings, and as you do that, be bold enough to go after things that you love. In the area of your closest relationship, you got Page of Pentacles. Someone is going to make an offer. The offer is going to be small, tiny offering, but this is something positive. A positive shift, a communication is coming your way. A visitor might be reaching out to you, and they have a message for you. The message is important for you at this time. This is important for your expansion. This is important for your healing, and this is important for you so that you do not get back into this nightmare again. And the hopes and fears, you are hoping to reconnect with someone, you are hoping to strengthen a bond, but there could be some misunderstandings and clashing egos within this connection. You need to watch out for that, but this is union between two people. This connection is very strong, so do not worry like where this connection is going, because it is perfectly safe, secure. And see, you are specially protected here with the Queen of Swords, Queen of Wands. So what do you need to do here in order to bask more in energy of success? Just being assertive, going after the things that you love. And the outcome for you is the Four of Swords. This is time for, as the month will conclude, you will find the need to rest, recharge, recover, heal, because this is direly needed. This Four of Swords is direly needed. This is sense of healing and resting, recharging. Let's see what do we get with this Four of Swords for you, Cancer. Let's clarify Four of Swords for the sign of Cancer. By the way, if the reading resonates with you, do subscribe, like, share, leave me a comment. Your feedback really helps me keep going. Let's see what do we get with the Four of Swords. This is for the sign of Cancer. Let's see. Let the card come out on its own. And yes, you got the card. A couple of cards, by the way. You got Page of Swords in reverse. This could be, you have the tendency here to succumb to the gossip, the backbiting that other people are doing about you. You got this recently in another reading as well. Do not do that. And you got Ten of Pentacles with the World card. Both are cards of completion. A major sense of achievement is coming your way. You are creating a whole new reality for yourself. Financial abundance and windfall is coming towards you. So you need to actually create a reality that uplifts you, that helps you grow. So that's all that I have for you. I hope it resonated with you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.